Imagine waking up one morning with a sudden fever, a sprained ankle, or a minor accident, and realizing that a single trip to the emergency room could cost you thousands of dollars. If you're a young adult, you might be thinking, "I'm healthy, I don't need insurance," or "traditional health insurance is way too expensive." But the truth is, life is unpredictable, and medical bills don't care about your age or your bank account. Every year, thousands of young adults end up paying out of pocket for medical emergencies simply because they didn't have a safety net. What if I told you there's a smart, affordable way to protect yourself without spending hundreds of dollars a month? That's where short-term health insurance comes in, a flexible, cost-effective solution designed specifically for people like you who want coverage without the heavy price tag. Hi, I'm Invest Harbor, and in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about short-term health insurance for young adults. We'll cover how it works, what it covers, what it doesn't, and most importantly, how it can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars each year. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect yourself in a smart, affordable way without committing to expensive long-term plans. Whether you're just starting your career, taking a gap year, or simply looking for temporary coverage, this guide will give you the tools to make an informed choice and avoid financial surprises. Stick around, because your health and your wallet will thank you. Short-term health insurance is a temporary health coverage plan designed to provide protection for a limited period, usually anywhere from 1 month up to a year, depending on your state. Unlike traditional health insurance, which is a long-term commitment, short-term plans are ideal for young adults who are between jobs, starting college, or simply looking for affordable coverage until they qualify for more permanent plans. These plans are designed to cover unexpected illnesses, accidents, or emergencies, giving you peace of mind without paying a high monthly premium. The process to get a short-term plan is usually fast and straightforward. You can apply online, receive approval within a few hours or days, and start your coverage almost immediately. Because these plans are temporary, they don't include all the features of standard health insurance, such as maternity coverage, mental health care, or preventive screenings. However, they do cover the basics: doctor visits, urgent care, hospitalization, and sometimes prescription medications. For young adults, short-term health insurance can be a lifesaver. It acts as a bridge, ensuring you're protected while saving money. It's perfect for someone who wants to avoid the high costs of full health insurance but still wants security against major medical expenses. Short-term health insurance offers several benefits, especially for young adults who want to stay protected without breaking the bank. The first major benefit is affordability. Traditional health insurance plans can cost hundreds of dollars each month, which is often too expensive for someone just starting their career or living independently. Short-term plans, on the other hand, are much cheaper. Monthly premiums can be significantly lower, sometimes just a fraction of a traditional plan, while still providing protection against emergencies. Another key benefit is flexibility. Short-term plans can be customized based on the length of coverage you need. If you're moving to a new city, taking a gap year, or between jobs, these plans can provide coverage exactly for that period without locking you into a year-long contract. The application process is also simple, with minimal paperwork and fast approvals, making it accessible for anyone who needs quick protection. Short-term insurance also acts as a safety net. While it doesn't cover every medical scenario, it provides basic coverage for urgent care, hospitalization, and accidents. For example, if you break your arm or have a sudden illness, a short-term plan can prevent you from facing thousands of dollars in out-of-pocket costs. In essence, it combines affordability, flexibility, and essential coverage, making it a smart choice for young adults. Short-term health insurance is designed to cover essential medical emergencies, but it's important to understand both what it includes and what it excludes. Typically, short-term plans cover doctor visits, urgent care, emergency room visits, hospitalizations, and sometimes basic prescription medications. This means if you suddenly get sick, injured, or need emergency care, you won't be left paying full medical bills out of pocket. Some plans even offer coverage for ambulance services, lab tests, or x-rays depending on the provider. However, there are limitations. Most short-term plans do not cover pre-existing conditions, maternity care, mental health services, preventive screenings, or vaccinations. Cosmetic procedures and elective treatments are also excluded. This is why it's crucial to carefully read the plan details before signing up, to ensure it meets your needs. While these exclusions may seem like drawbacks, the goal of a short-term plan is to protect against unexpected high-cost medical emergencies, not routine or long-term health care. Understanding coverage limits and exclusions is critical for young adults. For example, if you have a chronic condition or plan to start a family soon, a short-term plan might not be the best choice. But if you are generally healthy and need a temporary safety net, these plans provide the essential coverage you need without the financial burden of a full health insurance policy. Choosing the right short-term health insurance plan involves evaluating a few key factors to ensure you get the best coverage at the lowest cost. First, consider the monthly premium. Compare different providers and plans to see which offers the most affordable option while still meeting your essential coverage needs. Keep in mind that lower premiums often come with higher deductibles, so you need to balance affordability with potential out-of-pocket costs. Next, look at coverage limits. Some plans may cap the amount they pay for hospital stays, doctor visits, or surgeries. Make sure the limits are sufficient to cover potential emergencies without leaving you financially exposed. The network of doctors and hospitals is also important. Check if your preferred hospitals or urgent care centers are included, so you don't end up paying extra for out-of-network services. Deductibles and copays are another critical consideration. A plan with a low monthly premium but very high deductible may not save you money if you need care frequently. Read the fine print carefully to understand what is included, excluded, and what you'll pay out of pocket. Finally, check the length of coverage and renewal options. Some plans allow extensions or consecutive coverage periods, which can be useful if you need protection longer than initially planned. Making an informed choice ensures you get the protection you need without overspending. Saving money on short-term health insurance is easier than you might think, and with the right strategies, you can maximize coverage while minimizing costs. First, use online comparison tools to evaluate multiple providers at once. Websites like eHealth, Agile Health, and others allow you to compare premiums, deductibles, and coverage options in seconds, helping you find the best deal for your situation. Next, check for state-specific or promotional discounts. Some insurance companies offer special rates for students, young adults, or first-time buyers. Signing up during a promotional period can save you hundreds of dollars annually. Another tip is to consider hybrid options. Combining a short-term plan with a high-deductible catastrophic plan can offer broader coverage at a lower overall cost, protecting you from worst-case scenarios. Additionally, be strategic about your coverage length. If you only need protection for a few months, don't overpay for a full year. Short-term plans are flexible. Choose exactly the duration you need and renew or switch if your situation changes. Finally, maintain healthy habits. Staying healthy reduces the likelihood of needing expensive care, which means you pay less out. By planning carefully and comparing options, young adults can enjoy the benefits of coverage without draining their wallets. Now that you understand how short-term health insurance works, its benefits, what it covers, and how to choose the right plan, the message is clear. Protecting yourself doesn't have to drain your wallet. For young adults, these plans provide a smart, flexible, and affordable way to stay covered against unexpected emergencies while saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars each year. Remember, life is unpredictable. Accidents, sudden illnesses, or emergency medical situations can happen to anyone at any time. By taking action now, you're not just saving money, you're investing in peace of mind and financial security. Short-term health insurance isn't perfect for everyone, but for healthy young adults seeking temporary, affordable protection, it's one of the best options out there. So don't wait until it's too late. Review your options, compare plans, and choose the coverage that fits your lifestyle and budget. Your health and your wallet will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with any questions or experiences you have with short-term health insurance. Sharing your thoughts can help others make smarter choices too. Stay safe, stay protected, and take control of your health today.